Good morning! Another day, and today is not a typical Ubud day because this looks even worse than it is in real life, I promise. But I am repacking my stuff because I definitely had too much stuff coming here and I cannot come with that much stuff to my next destination. I decided this morning, let's do it straight away so that I'm done with it. So here I am, also part of the journey. So I've changed myself, I've packed my bags, and the idea is now to get lunch because it's already 2 o'clock and then go to the monkey forest. I'm kind of scared a little bit for monkeys, so it's going to be interesting, but I cannot leave Ubud without seeing monkeys, right? Time for some food. I've ordered pancakes again and a beauty elixir. Very nice, very fruity, fresh. I love it. So a ticket costs 80,000, which is around, let's say, 4 or 5 euros. And I mean, like, they have to feed all the monkeys, so that's actually quite cheap.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
So it's possible to make a picture with a monkey and then they pretend that they grab the phone, but actually they are holding a little bit of food next to the phone. So which results in which is kind of cool. And you don't have to pay extra for that picture. You already paid entrance. Totally worth to see it. I thought it would be here for like 10 minutes. And it would be one spot, but I'm here for already half an hour, 45 minutes, so yeah, takes longer than I expected and I really liked it. It's really cool to see them. Time to go back on the scooter, see the waterfall, and it rains a little bit though, but that's part of it. Okay, I arrived at Tegenangan. It took me around 45 minutes to get here. Map said it would be around 25, so that was a big difference. So it's already getting dark, so I hope it's still kind of nice to see. In Bali. Good morning, another day, and I'm going to a waterfall. This is my outfit. I hope it's not too hot outside. Let's see. Okay, I arrived and the roads were so nice, so amazing. I felt like I was the only tourist actually, and I've been it feels like I'm living a dream. So already, even if the waterfall is nothing, I enjoyed this so much. Okay, so the entry is 15,000. See, this environment is a dream. Steps are like this, so until now it's actually quite doable, but let's see. I'm here with flip-flops and you can hear, oh, the water I want to say, but that's it. So this is a bit, that's still okay. I am soaking wet, but that was absolutely worth it, so go visit this waterfall. Very hot, sweating, but I have water, so I'm happy. Up to the next. Okay, in the meantime my hair has become very curly, but we keep going. I just arrived at the next waterfall with my lovely scooter. So yeah, let's see. It was a 30-minute ride, so actually perfect. Really lovely views again. So it doesn't seem too busy though. Really curious. Cash left, and they don't accept card, so no waterfall for me. Too bad. Get kind of sad about it, but yeah, what do? Nothing. So all the stairs up again, and then the plan is to go back to Ubud, get some lunch, and maybe fix my hair, get back to the hotel, have a little swim. And then I just realized this is really shit. Me. Too bad.